We are the students from Giriraj Government College, Nizamabad. Myself, Srija.
Myself, Prahash.
Myself, Lakari.
Myself, Sapika.
I am Lasya.
So these are the topic: stem cell, a study and survey on the preservation of stem cells in Nizamabad district. Stem cells are the master cells which acts as the building blocks of our body. These stem cells have the potential to treat 80 plus blood related disorders such as beta thalassemia major, neuroblastoma, aplastic anemia, sickle cell disease and so on. These stem cells have the potential to treat for conditions such as diabetes, stroke, autism, cerebral palsy and underway increasing the scope for future regenerative medicine. The main sources of stem cells are embryonic stem cells, umbilical cord blood stem cells, spleen and bone marrow. Among all these blood stem cells, umbilical cord blood stem cells are considered to be the ready source of stem cells. It can be preserved during the time of the childbirth and can be used later for the further treatment. Stem cells are first identified by McCulloch and James Taylor. The first therapy was performed by James Smith. Here, these are the objectives: to know briefly about stem cells, to know whether people are aware of preserving stem cells or not, a visit to various local maternity hospitals to collect primary data, to acknowledge the growth of stem cells as a future regenerative medicine.
We have collected primary data from various local maternity hospitals regarding stem cells preservation and stem cells banks. For a stem cell transplantation, HLA typing is required. HLA refers to human leukocyte antigen typing. HLA markers are the specialized proteins. 6 out of 8 HLA markers should be matched. That is, 75% of match should be there between the donor and patient for a successful stem cell transplantation.
As the stem cell require preservation, stem cell banks come on the street. We can get stem cells from a public banks where frozen umbilical cord blood stem cells are available. And there is a cost for 21 years 30,000 and for 75 years 45,000. And there were no stem cell banks in our locality, so that private or public stem cell banks come on the street. And we had done an interaction with public bank marketer. Stem cells are the need of an hour. Stem cells have these are the stem cells which have the potential to develop into different kinds of cells. And there are some case studies. In the first case study, a 40 years girl child was cured with beta thalassemia major by umbilical cord blood cell transplantation. And in the second case, 15 years child was cured with thalassemia by bone marrow transplantation.
Our results. Though there were thousands of district women giving birth to young ones, not even few people are preserving them. This is the histogram data showing the number of deliveries in a month and number of preservation stem cells in a month. In the month of September, the number of deliveries are 450, but the preservation of stem cells are 30. In the month of October, the number of deliveries are 465, the preservation of stem cells are 50. In the month of November, the number of deliveries are 480, but the preservation of stem cells are 30. Despite of high literacy rate and high rate deliveries, not even 10% of couples preserving stem cells. In our 3-month survey, we came to know that there are no stem cell banks in our locality. Yet, a few preservation of stem cells are done by a private bank marketer. The reasons for not preserving the child's umbilical cord blood stem cells are financial status, superstitions leading to misconceptions, and some religious beliefs.
In conclusion, 1 in 217 undergo stem cell transplantation by the age of 70. And about 5% children were diagnosed with autism and cerebral palsy. And 1,20,000 Indians were diagnosed with blood cancer. And 10,000 children were diagnosed with beta thalassemia major for every year. And all these diseases and disorders can be cured with one and only stem cells. As per the myths and facts, embryonic stem cell research uses aborted fetus. Embryonic stem cell research does not use any aborted fetus. They use blastocyst, which is developed in the lab itself. And the most beliefs are religious people. Religious people think that embryonic stem cell research is unethical and immoral, but it's completely safe and legal. So stem cells can revolutionize medicine more than anything since antibiotics. So to get stem cell treatments on stream, we suggest education and awareness on stem cell research and preservation. to establish and develop the stem cell banks and to eradicate all these myths and misconceptions about stem cell research and preservation. Thank you.
Thank you.
అంతే ఆఫ్ చేస్తాం